Imagine a remedy that could improve your health, your skin, and even your hair, all while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Castor oil is an oil with almost magical powers, and in this video, we're going to dive into this natural treasure that offers incredible benefits for your skin, hair, and even muscle pain. Before we start, I need to tell you that all the content in this video has been validated and written by professionals and experts in the field. So, let's explore the benefits of this natural elixir. Skin hydration. Castor oil is renowned for its intense moisturizing properties, thanks to its high content of ricinoleic acid, which helps retain moisture in the skin. For deep hydration, mix a few drops of castor oil with your favorite moisturizer, or apply it directly to dry skin before bedtime, especially on areas like elbows and knees that tend to be drier. Hair growth. This oil not only promotes healthy hair growth but also prevents hair loss, due to its essential nutrients that nourish the hair follicle. Create an overnight hair mask by mixing castor oil with coconut oil. Apply it to your scalp and hair, cover with a shower cap, and wash it out in the morning. This enhances nutrient absorption, strengthening the hair from the root. Scar reduction. Castor oil is effective at improving the appearance of both old and new scars, as it stimulates collagen production, which aids in skin cell renewal. Mix castor oil with rosehip oil, known for its regenerative properties, and apply to the scar before bedtime to maximize healing overnight. Muscle pain relief. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil has an analgesic effect, making it an excellent natural remedy for relieving muscle and joint pain. Warm a small amount of castor oil and apply to the sore areas with a gentle massage. For a more intensive effect, wrap the area with a warm cloth after application to enhance oil penetration. Nail strengthening. Rich in vitamin E and other essential minerals, castor oil is crucial for strong and healthy nails, preventing breakage and stimulating growth. Mix castor oil with a bit of fresh lemon juice, which helps lighten yellowed nails. Apply this mixture to your nails and cuticles every night using a nail brush or a cotton swab. Dark circle reduction. Castor oil improves blood circulation and reduces swelling, helping to lessen dark circles and bags under the eyes. Gently apply a mixture of castor oil and almond oil around the eyes before bedtime. Almond oil is light and also helps to brighten the skin, enhancing the effects of castor oil. Digestion improvement. Castor oil is a natural laxative that helps regulate bowel movement and relieve constipation. Before using castor oil for digestive issues, consult your doctor to ensure safety and suitability. If approved, dilute a teaspoon in a glass of orange juice to improve flavor and drink before bedtime. Castor oil has proven effective against various fungal infections, such as athlete's foot and itching. Wash and dry the affected area, then apply castor oil directly. Covering the region with gauze can help keep the oil in place overnight for more effective action. Wrinkle prevention. The antioxidant properties of castor oil combat free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging of the skin. Create a mix of castor oil with aloe vera gel, which suits the skin and enhances anti-aging effects. Apply the mixture to a clean, dry face before bedtime, paying special attention to areas prone to wrinkles. Cuticle care. Keeps cuticles soft and well-nourished, preventing dryness and the formation of loose skin around the nails. Apply castor oil to the cuticles before bedtime and put on cotton gloves. This helps the oil absorb more deeply, leaving hands and nails perfectly hydrated by morning. Truly, the benefits are many, and it's very simple and easy to use. Testing it, and indeed, it's very good. Comment here, what is the first thing you will do to enjoy the properties of this fantastic potion? But before you leave, I have something to introduce to you that combines the effects of castor oil and gives you even more health benefits. This weird blue tonic acts on your body, improving and restoring your sleep, unlike what doctors and nutritionists tell you. This is the real reason why you eat almost nothing and can't lose weight, because your body may not be falling into the deep restorative sleep needed to sustain a healthy weight and toned physique. But that's the benefit of subscribing here on Leo's channel. Our subscribers always benefit from the latest medical and scientific studies. In the first link in the description, I'll leave a presentation for you to see exactly how this works in your body and, of course, learn how to prepare it at home. For more fantastic tips like these, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Our mission is to support your health in every aspect.